guys, it's ASBYT and welcome back to a brand new video. Now recently we've had loads of unboxings, loads of reviews, and in that time so much has happened. We've had loads of breaking news, leaks, etc. for brand new products. So I thought today I'd bring back ASBYT's BTN, and today's video is a leaks and rumours comparison between the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, the Huawei P30 Pro, the OnePlus 7 and the Pixel 4. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. Now, if you missed my last video, I am running a smartphone giveaway, so stay tuned throughout the whole of this video to find out how to enter. Right, so like I said, we've got so much to talk about today. We have leaks coming left, right and centre already for all of these devices. So let's start now, fresh post-launch of the Galaxy S10, which I will have my month's worth of use review coming very soon. We've got rumours and leaks. We've got reeks for the Galaxy Note 10. Starting with one feature which the Galaxy S10 just missed out on, but Samsung did announce that they have this technology available, and that's of course UFS 3.0 storage. So on the Galaxy S10 we have 2.1, but Samsung do have 3.0 available. 3.0 is twice as fast, more efficient, and as a result it means you're going to get far better battery performance as well. On top of that, there is a leak which suggests the Note 10 might have an 100 megapixel camera sensor. Currently the largest I believe is 48 megapixels with the likes of the Honor View 20, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 and phones like the Umidigi S3 Pro and F1 Play. Now Qualcomm's Senior Director of Product Management for Cameras, Judd Heap, did state that we can expect multiple brands to release phones with 64 megapixel sensors and even larger than 100 megapixel cameras by the end of this year. And this ties in with a report by Giz China, which said that the following Qualcomm Snapdragon SoCs 670, 675, 710, 845 and 855 can support up to 122 megapixels on any single camera. Mind-boggling! Let me know whether you think they're going to actually do it. Now we're going to jump onto Huawei and their P30 range, mainly the P30 Pro, because I would imagine that will be their most popular. Now it is due to be launched in Paris in just a few days time, and it looks very similar to the Mate 20 Pro. So the now very common color shifting back design and the infinity display on the front now as well. And this is of course a 6.47 inch OLED panel. The notch is now going to be a water drop or U-drop, whatever you want to call it, instead of the one that was on the Mate 20 Pro, which was obviously a lot larger, more like the iPhone XS. As a result of this, even though it will have face unlocking, it's looking like we're going to get the 2D less secure version than we did on the Mate 20 Pro. Jumping back to the rear, of course, we have a 3-camera setup, a 40 megapixel primary sensor with f1.6 aperture, a 20 megapixel secondary sensor with f2.2 aperture, and a third time of flight lens, which is going to help with depth. Now the internals will come with the Kirin 980, which is of course Huawei's in-house SoC, the likes again we've seen on the Mate 20 Pro, so it's going to be a very similar performing product. And while yes, we're not seeing an upgraded SoC, this is the way they do it, but you've got to remember it is still a 7nm chip, and the performance will be, again like the Mate 20 Pro, really good. Now of course there will be different variants, but we are going to see 8GB of RAM and either 128, 256 or 512 gigabytes of storage. It'll have a 4200 mAh battery capacity with their lethally fast charging. Now it will be IP68 water and dust resistant, but there won't be a headphone jack if that's something you're interested in, and we believe it will be missing 5G support. And for those wondering about the standard P30, not the Pro version, it looks very similar in terms of that water drop notch design, but the main differences are of course it's a flat panel and not a curved display. It has a smaller battery, we believe 3650 mAh, and it keeps the headphone jack. So do you prefer a bigger battery or do you prefer a headphone jack? Curved display, flat display, same triple camera on the back we believe. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below which out of those two you are more excited about. Now we're going to jump onto the OnePlus 7, and this leak, you might not go, wow, this is breaking, but it might just confirm what we've been thinking. A case has been leaked for what we believe will be the OnePlus 7, and it clearly displays a triple camera on the rear, and if you look right at the top, it looks like there's a little gap, so the pop-up front camera could very well be confirmed. And if that is the case, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Are you yes or no to the pop-up camera, and it is going to divide opinion again. Is this make or break? Do you like it? Are you going to buy it? Or is that going to completely turn you off? Not sexually, obviously, just in terms of bite. Let me know. And finally, we have information on the Pixel 4 and 4 XL, obviously. And this one has to be taken with a massive pinch of salt. It's very sketchy at best, but there has been a sketch made of the See what I did there? Sketchy. Sketch. Someone has created a sketch of the Pixel 4 and 4 XL. I wouldn't say it was necessarily credible, but someone has actually taken that image and turned it very lifelike, and to be honest, me likey a lot. If Google were able to pretty much keep what they did on the rear design and the sort of overall feel of the phone, which I think is great, add the second camera lens like in the image, probably a wide angle lens, and just change this thing. Come on. Just change that, reduce that massive chin as well, using the punch hole cutout display like we've seen on the Galaxy S10, knowing how good your cameras are, if you can increase the battery and make it look like this, then that's going to be the phone to beat this year. And Google, if you're listening, this year, more than any, it's crucial you get this design right. Do it, do it, do it. Yes, do it, do it. And by the way, massive credit to the person who's taken that sketch and designed that. I think it looks amazing. Kudos, hats off. And that, ladies and gents, is pretty much that. Let me know in the comment section below what out of these leaks are you most excited about. And of course, if you've got more word on the street than I have, let me know in the comment section below so that everyone gets all of the latest and greatest information. Now, in terms of the smartphone giveaway, I will leave a link in the video description below, and that video has all the information on how you can enter. Like and share if you did enjoy this video and found it helpful. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. If you're new to the channel and want to be notified every time I post a video on anything tech, pretty much daily content here on YouTube. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. ASBYT, peace out.